I couldn't find any that fit.
Matter of fact, I'll show you.
15 fucking bucks.
I'll be back.
And he was happy as fuck to be like, it's $15. I was like, God damn, bro. Okay, so you know how my brakes fucking squeak.
Yeah.
So I thought the anti-rattle clip is the problem. So I was looking and I was trying to find the anti-rattle clip for the 6 pistons, right? And it's a bitch just to find the clip. So I finally fucking found it. I found it in 2 places. The actual dealer. Mm-hmm. And then there's a Mopar wholesale something online. What does that say on the camera?
I don't know what it just said, but it says connection or something.
Did that motherfucker?
I think it disconnected.
No, it's still going because I see it right here, bro.
I don't know what that just said right now.
What happened?
It flashed something on the top, and my dumbass ain't got my glasses on, so I can't see it.
I can't see it either.
Well, it flashed a minute ago, so is it running? It's recording.
Still recording. Still going.
Fuck it till the wheels fall off.
Fuck it till the wheels fall off.